साथ छोड़ूंगा ना तेरे पीछे आऊंगा, छीन लूंगा या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा, तेरे नाल तकदीरा लिखवाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा।
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। ना कोई है ना कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, ओ हमनवा।
जिंदगी दो पल की इंतजार कब तक हम करेंगे भला, तुम्हें प्यार कब तक ना करेंगे भला। जिंदगी दो पल की।
हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में, खुश नसीब है वो जिनको है मेरी ये बहार जिंदगी में। हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में।
मैं तेनू समझावा की ना तेरे बाजों लगदा जी, तू की जाने प्यार मेरा, मैं करूँ इंतजार तेरा, तू दिल तो यूं जान मेरी जान मेरी। मैं तेनू समझावा की ना तेरे बाजों लगदा जी।
दिल मेरा चुराया क्यों जब ये दिल तोड़ना ही था, हमसे दिल लगाया क्यों जब ये मुँह मोड़ना ही था। Why did you break my heart?
I don't care.
Why did we fall in love? Why
I love
did you
myself.
go away, away, away?
Hello,
ओ
guys.
सागी सागी रे सागी सागी, आपस आ रहना चाहे कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी, हो सागी सागी रे सागी सागी, आपस आ रहना चाहे कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी।
Well done, well done.
हाँ।
Good evening, every one of you. How are you all doing? Let me know in the chat box. How are you all are doing? That one word I want to listen from all of you. What you feel today? How was your day? Good? What about others? Very good. Come on. What more? ऐसे ही गया डे. Fantastic. Awesome. That's what. When somebody greets you, एक पहला टिप दे देती हूँ आप लोगों को. First tip that I want to give you all of you. When somebody asks you, how are you doing? अंग्रेजों ने हम लोगों को क्या सिखाया? Okay, good. तो उन्होंने हम लोग को यही सिखाया कि भाई, when somebody asks you, you need to tell that you are in so condition. तो हमारा पहले ही माइंड प्रोग्रामिंग ऐसे हो गया है. If somebody asks you how are you, I am telling okay. तो पहले ही हमने अपने आप को बोल दिया. When you said okay, that means inside you already told you are not in a proper good condition. But somebody asks you how are you are doing. If I say awesome, fantastic, what vibration I am giving it to the person who is in front of me. Wow. She has got so much of energy. Her day was so great, right? So you're giving that positive vibes to somebody who is in front of you. And not only that, you yourself telling that you had a very great and fantastic day, right? So somebody asks you, you need to always tell fantastic, awesome. It's okay if some problem has happened, but when you tell yourself, okay, that means you're accepting that you don't want your day to be happen awesome and fantastic. Great. Fantastic. And welcome all of you once again. Thank you so much for joining. For all those who are present here right now, I can see Lakshmi, Ashwati, Bhuma, Lakshmi 2, Kokila. And then I think Varsha, Minakshi, Shankar. Well done, guys. Guys, put down, go to the WhatsApp group and write a message over there. Ki we are live. All of you, please join fast. All of you. I'm not going to send that message. I want you, all of you, those who are present, take your phone right now, go to our group and write their message that we are live. Come jumping fast. Go on, 2 minutes. Go fast. Because we are the family and we want that everyone in our family should grow together, right? We should be holding each other hands and we all should grow together. That's the reason we all are here. We all are there in this community. So go fast, put it in the message. We are live, jump in fast. Great. If you have did it, thank you so much. And very good that you are at least अगर एक बंदे को भी आपने inspire किया, your day has you have did a good job for the day. Great. So now, as we have started our Q3, our third quarter healthathon session, and first of all, congratulations and proud of all of you, those who are staying consistent day by day, you are improving your health day by day, you are improving your fitness level. And I definitely feel that you already have that confident build inside you. When you walk on the street, already you have that confident कि I am fit person, I am healthy. वो confidence अपने आप आ जाता है. So great, and welcome to our third quarter session, and we are starting with our again Fit Mom live sessions, specifically about the weight loss. And weight loss, I will say it's a byproduct of that. Our main focus here is to improve our overall health and improve our overall fitness. And when we focus on this improving our overall health, weight loss तो हो ही जाता है, automatically हो जाता है. You don't need to be more focused on a weight loss, but your focus should be on improving your health. And for that, we are focusing on balancing the 6 pillar of the health and the weight loss. So whatever we are going to do in these 3 months, whatever habits that we are going to build in these 3 months for our health, it's all on the base of the 6 pillars of the weight loss. So what are these 6 pillars? How you are going to build your habits for your food, you're going to habits for your smart movement. Definitely, you're going to build the habits for your sleep, building the habits most important for your emotions. So all these habits we are going to build in respect to all these 6 pillars of the weight loss. So all these sessions are regards to this, right? So our first today's session, we are going to first see the mirror. Okay? We are going to first see the mirror where we stand. We will see the health score of ours, where we stand right now. What is our health score? Then second, we will move towards building how to build an healthy habits. So it becomes very difficult. We say ki kaise build karna habits. I don't have a motivation. I don't have a inspiration. How can I build the healthy habits? So what is the reason behind that we are not able to stick to building this healthy habits? Or we do it maybe for few weeks, or we do it only for few months, and then we give up. So that's why that is happening. And what is the solution for that? We need to work. So today's session is completely on this. And of course, at the end of the session, we are going to do a very powerful visualization. And that will definitely blow your mind. So yes, ready, all of you? Okay. Before we start, I want to ask how many of you already have the printout with you of whatever material that I have shared with you? In case if how many of you have first? Let me know if you have. Let me know that you have. Oh, Booma has. Fantastic. In case if you don't have, not to worry. You can take the printout later, maybe tomorrow you can take it. But right now, you can take one notepad or you can one notepad and pen, you can keep it with you. So we are going to do one small exercise today. And I want you to, for that, we will need a notepad and pen. So keep the notepad and pen ready with you. So let's set, go, ready? Fantastic. Awesome. Well done. I will share the screen. Okay. You don't have, it's absolutely okay. You can take the printouts later. Right now, just take your notepad, whatever you have right now. Great. So before we start, I wanted to share the core value of this community, what I believe from the bottom of my heart. And that's the reason I feel that this community, what we are built, whatever we all of are here present, I believe you all are connected with me because somewhere inside you also have these core values. So what I believe first is our first core value that we all should have is focusing on a holistic health. How many of you agree with me? It's not just about the weight loss. If it's not only about the weight loss, it's all about improving your physical fitness and along with that, your mental fitness. How many of you agree that when it comes to the holistic health, it should not only working on reducing that number on a weighing scale, but working on improving your overall health, along with that, overall mind fitness and physical fitness together that becomes a holistic health. How many of you agree with me that yes, that should be the part? And weight loss should be the byproduct of that. It should automatically happen, right? Second thing I believe is the sustainability. Whatever actions that we take it today, or whatever lifestyle that we are building today, or habits that we are building today, we should able to follow life till the time we are here, whatever, for a longer period of time. It should be sustainable. It should not be like that today I am following any diet and I don't like it. I am doing it because I want to reduce the weight. I want to reduce the number on my weighing scale. If I ask you how long you will able to follow that diet, maybe your answer, maybe few weeks. If you ask me, I will able to follow maybe only for 2-3 days, not more than that. If you have a more willpower, maybe you're able to follow for few weeks, 4 months. But what after few months, somewhere you will tell, bus ho gaya. I don't want to do it. I want to go back to my normal eating pattern, right? So that should not be there. Whatever diet you're following right now, whatever exercise or whatever movements that you're doing it, whatever lifestyle changes you do it, that you should able to follow for the lifelong. Sustainability. How many of you agree? Type S in the chat box. And the third one I completely believe is empowerment. Yes, we women talk more about the empowerment, but what I feel that when we hold each other hands together and we grow together, that's called the real empowerment. It's not about oh, she has lost so many kgs of weight, oh, I didn't able to do it, oh, she has completed so many number of steps and I'm not able to do it. Your competition is you. How I can be better than what I was doing yesterday, what I was doing the last week. Am I becoming a better than that? You are the competitor of your own self and not someone else. You never know what that other person is going through in her life or maybe in his life. You want that problem in your life? No, we don't want. So our competition is we. We are taking the inspiration. We all are together in the community so that we can hold each other hand. When the situation comes, when somebody is not motivated, somebody is not inspired, our message should motivate them to take the action. We should motivate each other so that we grow together, and we all become healthy and fit. How many of you agree? Right? And I believe that all of you believe in these three values, and that's the reason you are in the part of this community. Holistic health, sustainability, and empowerment. And we work on all these three parameters. We can see that we are growing in the 10x health. 10x health means it's not a temporary health. Weight loss हो गया वापस gain कर लिया वापस lose हो गया वापस. No, I don't want that to happen. I want you to build a habit that stays with you lifelong, so that you have that 10x health, and when you are confident in your own skin. Don't you not think so? You can give 10x more productivity in the other aspects of your life. Maybe in your job, or maybe a business that you're doing, or whatever you're doing, and maybe a homemaker taking care of your whole family. Don't you not think so? You can be a much better than what you are. Agree? Agree? So our motto is not only to improve our health, but improving our health, improving the overall lifestyle. All of us, there is no one here that we have not tried anything for the weight loss. हमने सबने कुछ ना कुछ weight loss के लिए previously किया. We have did maybe some kind of diets, or maybe whatever, some shakes, pills, जो भी है, हमने बहुत सारी चीजें, because we all want to come back to a proper shape. But what I feel, whatever that action that you have taken previously, before joining this community, whatever action that you have taken, that has given you the result. Of course, it has given you the result. You have lost the weight also, but that was for a short period of time. And when you stop that, it has come back again. How many of you agree with me? Now, those who have joined anew, and this is your first healthathon session with us, how many of you agree with me that whatever that you have did it in the past, that is still influencing your present? You are still thinking that how can I do that? How can I do that? And don't you not think so? If your present is going to be the same, do you think your future is going to change? Whatever you did in the past is influencing your present. And in the present, if you don't make a good changes, don't you not think so it is going to affect your future? And you're dying every day for that. Specifically, अरे मेरा weight loss नहीं हो रहा है. We are standing in front of the mirror. अरे यार मेरा belly fat ही जाता नहीं है. अरे यार my hips are also not good. अरे यार my arms are so big. Or maybe like you're taking some medicine, you want to come out of that medicine. Like, don't you not think so? Every day we are thinking we want to come out of that, come out of this. And how we can do that? That will happen when you influence when you have your future influencing your present. That means all of us have some goals. Let's talk about our health goal, that maybe you want to fit into your favorite clothes, or maybe you want to lose some kgs of weight, or you want to come out of medicine, you want to overcome any diabetes. That is your future goal. If you are leaving that goal, or if you are leaving that today in the present, telling and convincing your mind that I have already achieved it, don't you not think so? Your mind and you will start taking the action towards that, and automatically whatever goal that you have in the future, you will start you will start achieving that. How many of you agree with me? And for that, what we need to do? क्या करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए? Do you think, if current, ask yourself, or I am specifically asking for all the news that you have joined right now in this one. If your current habits that you have right now, if you are not changing, if you are continuing with that same habits, do you think that you will achieve your lifelong health or whatever goals that you have? तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We are still in our temporary and not in lifelong health. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? we have to change our existing habits which are not making us grow to 80% of the new habits that will make us grow in health, wealth, relationship, whatever you name it. And that's what we are going to do in these sessions. And then implementation will happen for the rest of the time. And when you build the habits, it doesn't give you the temporary results, but it will give you all the sustainable result. जो भी weight loss करोगे, जो भी होगा, that will be sustainable. We are building the habits. You build consistency. ओवरकम प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन. अरे नहीं, आज नहीं जाना, आज नहीं वॉक पे जाना है, अरे यार आज ये काम नहीं करना है, आई डोंट वांट. सो दैट इज व्हाट प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, लेजीनेस. यू ओवरकम व्हाटएवर you decide, you do it. Increase your motivation in energy levels रहना पूरे दिन, reducing stress, mental long term success, so many things. It's not only one thing, but you get so many benefits out of that. Yes. So before we start, let's find out what is our health score right now. So for that, you can have a small pen, छोटा सा पेपर भी चलेगा, वो भी चल जाएगा. We will just do a health score here. Are you ready? Yes, lifestyle change. That is what important. If you want a sustainable result, if you want that जो भी आज कर रहे हो वो लाइफ लॉन्ग के लिए आपके साथ रहे, तो very important that you focus on building the habits. Let's work on our health score first now. So I will ask you few questions. What you have to do, जो भी question I will ask you, you have to either tick mark or you have to cross mark. There is no 50-50 game here. 50-50 कुछ भी नहीं है. If you think अरे नहीं 50% of the time I have the energy और 50% time 50% नहीं होता है, तो भी आप क्रॉस ही करोगे. If you are 100% confidence, you will give tick mark to yourself, right? Great. So let's first find out where we stand. We will do our health score first. Okay. The first question to all of you. Having timely excretion of waste from our body. Do you have a timely excretion of waste from the body? That means every day in the morning when you get up, first thing you get properly freshen up. पहले जाके उठ के what you do it, go to the washroom and you get freshen up. You don't need any kind of drink. You don't need to drink water. You don't need to drink tea, coffee, or tea or coffee piye bina I will not able to go. Or if that is a condition, you cross mark it. Or if you think that you have to go 3-4 times in a day, or there is no fixed time, morning you don't get freshen up, kabhi bhi din mein kabhi bhi ho jata hai, if that's the case, you have to give cross mark. If it is a proper 100%, you get a timely excretion of the waste from the body every day in the morning without depend on any drink, you have to tick mark it. Yes. Second, healthy skin. Now ask yourself that do you have a healthy skin? Is your skin is healthy? That means if you have a dark circles down your eyes, that means there is some problem. You are not getting a proper sleep. Your sleep patterns are disturbed. Or maybe if you think that you have too much of acne, if you have too much of pimple on your skin, that means your food habits are not good. You're eating too much of acidic food and your gut is not clear. So ask yourself, do you have a healthy skin? If your skin is healthy, you can tick mark it. If not, cross mark it. If you want to know कि अंदर से आपका पेट साफ है और how's your internal system is working, first thing you need to know how is your skin. Yes. Second thing, feeling energetic throughout the day. मतलब I have an energy throughout the day. Is it, if it is like that ki morning you have, when you get up you don't have energy and then you tell yourself, I need to drink a cup of chai or cup of coffee, वो पीने के बाद ही मेरे को energy मिलेगा, till that time I will not have energy to do anything, cross mark. Or if you feel ki 4 o'clock, like 4 o'clock you are you don't have energy and then you tell कि नहीं अब तो हो नहीं सकता है, either I have to go and lie down on a bed or I have to drink tea or coffee, whatever, then only I can survive for the rest of the day, then you have to cross mark. It's okay, like evening tea or coffee, whatever you are drinking, it should not be like that कि okay, आज अगर मुझे नहीं मिला तो it is okay for me. I am not dependent. My energy is not dependent on that. I drink that because it gives me a happiness. It is a me moment for me. That 5 minutes of tea or 5 minutes of coffee sitting on my window and watching the rain. It is a me time. I am not depend on that completely. Right? Did you understood what I'm trying to tell you? If you feel energetic throughout the day and you don't have to depend on any source, then tick mark. If not, cross mark it. If you take the responsibility that tea what I am drinking is because for my me time and not to get an energy, right? Great. Fourth one, feeling hungry and satisfied after eating. मतलब you have a proper hunger cues, बॉडी आपको प्रॉपर हंगर क्यूज देता है. ब्रेकफास्ट के टाइम पे आपको भूख लगती है, लंच के टाइम पे भूख लगती है, भूख लगती है, शाम को भूख लगती है. इफ यू थिंक दैट कि अरे मेरे को तो भूख ही नहीं लगती है, आई डोंट फील लाइक ईटिंग, समवेयर समथिंग इज गोइंग रॉन्ग. If your body is giving a proper hunger cues and you are eating properly on time, tick mark it. Also second thing, after eating you feel satisfied. Like ऐसे नहीं होता है कि 1 घंटे के बाद then you said अरे again I am feeling hungry and I need to eat something. If that's the case, you have to cross mark it. Somewhere something is wrong in that situation. Fifth one, having deep quality sleep. Are you getting a 7 to 8 hours of good night sleep in the night? And I'm not just talking about the quantity here. I will add the quality also. How's the quality of the sleep? Is it that when you go on a bed, you go to sleep directly in 5-10 minutes में आप छू हो जाते हो, or you need to struggle on the bed for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 an hour, you need to struggle to go to the sleep, or in the night you get up 3-4 times. If that's the case, you have to cross mark it. Okay? Then sixth one, experiencing the positive thoughts and emotions throughout the day. Do you feel positive throughout the day, or do you feel sad, depressed, always angry? If that's the situation, you have to cross mark it. How's your thoughts throughout the day? Is it a positive? You always feel happy, or even though if there are situation comes where somebody blames at you or somebody fights at you, you come out of that trauma within 5 to 10 minutes and you don't take it throughout the day. How's your positive thought? How's your thoughts, emotions? Then control emotional eating because of specific trigger. मतलब अगर दिन में कुछ फाइट हुआ है या बॉस के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ है या सैलरी कम आया है या हस्बैंड के साथ झगड़ा हुआ है, फाइट हुआ है, and you are in that trauma and that trauma has given you a lot of stress, and now to come out of that stress you are searching for something in the kitchen कि कुछ चॉकलेट बचा हुआ है या कोई पेस्ट्री बचा हुआ है, कोई मेरे फेवरेट चिप्स है पड़े हुए हैं तो मैं उसको उठा के खा लूं. If that's called as a emotional eating. If that's the case, you have to cross mark. Or you don't have that. Whatever you eat, it's your responsibility. You know that today I'm going to eat a pastry, or today I'm going to eat whatever, gulab jamun, whatever you like it. It's because I owned it. It's because it's my responsibility. I'm eating guilt free. I don't feel guilty after eating that. I worked out enough and it is my reward. If that's the case, you can tick mark it. Eighth one, having a fresh breath and no order. If you feel that you have, there are some people, they always have a bad order. हम उनके बाजू में भी बात करेंगे तो we realize कि they have a bad order. Is it that that हमको खुद को पता चलता है like how's our breath is it a fresh or you have a bad order? So that you can tick mark or pass mark. Ninth one, very important, having an ideal fat and muscle ratio. Now, just keep this 9 point right now. Don't do anything. Tick mark, cross, kuch nahi karna hai. I will tell you when to do it. Let's have this 10th one, and then we will talk about 9th one. Last one is having no disease. You don't have any problem. You are fit, fine, and healthy. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सिंपल माइग्रेन और मे बी एनीथिंग, डिप्रेस, एंजाइटी, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, एसिडिटी, इंडाइजेशन, ब्लोटिंग, ये कुछ भी नहीं है. यू आर फिट एंड फाइन, देन यू कैन क्रॉस, यू कैन टिक मार्क इट. इफ यू हैव एनी हेल्थ इश्यूज or you are taking any tablets for that, then you have to cross mark it. Right? Now, let's come back to the 9th one, having an ideal fat and muscle ratio. What do you mean by that? Now, what I feel, when you check that number on a weighing scale, it doesn't tell us anything. वो हमको कुछ नहीं बताता है, वो सिर्फ हमको बताता है कि नंबर कितना है. And yes, for a reference purpose on a daily basis, I feel that is the easiest way to check whether you are, because we know what is our height, and for our height, what is the weight. Or when we see ourselves in the mirror, if you're standing in the front of the mirror, you know yourself ki whether my body shape or whatever weight I have, am I confident in that? If the answer is yes, you're absolutely okay to go with that weight, because every one of us body is different. We have different height, we have a different body structures. So we know that in what body shape and in what structure I am confident. There, whatever may be your weight number, that doesn't mind. But what is important is your fat percentage. What is your fat percentage? So I know most of you maybe right now don't know your fat percentage. If you know your fat percentage, you can see the chart and accordingly you can tick mark and cross mark. But if you don't know, you have to cross mark and you have to check what is your fat percentage. So this is what the ideal body fat percentage is. Now for the women, if your body fat percentage is between 25 to 30%, you are good to go, acceptable. But if your fat percentage is more than 30, you need to take it seriously, your health right now. And for the men, it is acceptable percentages between 18 to 24%. We women structures is little bit different than the men. That's the reason we have more fat. As I told you, we have more fat and the less muscles. So the numbers are completely different. So if you can take it down, if you right now don't know, I will suggest every one of you do your body composition test. In the body composition test, you will know what is your fat percentage, what is your muscle percentage. And that is more important. And when it comes to the fat percentage, one more important thing is there are two types of fats, subcutaneous fat and the visceral fat. Now, what is subcutaneous fat? Subcutaneous fat, which is fat which is there around your body. So that also there is a percentage. When you do this body composition test, you will know. And the second one, which is most dangerous, is the visceral fat. The visceral fat which is there around your organs. If that percentage is more, it is a alarming situation for you. And you don't be in that, that mindset ki my weight is reduced, my weight is less, my body structure is less, so definitely my visceral fat percentage will be incorrect. Don't be in that mindset, because there are people, their weight is less, but when they check their visceral fat percentage, it is more. And there are people where their weight is more, but when they check their fat percentage, it is completely okay. So now, along with your weight, it is very important that we all should know what is your fat percentage. So we don't need to go to that athlete level, that 14 to 20%. The people who play the games and they are at the athlete level, definitely they will have a lesser. But of course, when now, if you are in a phase 2 or if you are in a phase 3, where your goal is to improve your fitness level, then definitely you can try coming in this category of 21 to 24%. but acceptable. Now if you think that okay, I want to do everything because I want to stay just healthy. I don't want to be in that category, the six packs and all. I don't want. So 25 to 30% is the acceptable range. So keep this, or you can take the screenshot of this, and I will suggest all of you to first go and check your body fat percentage and see where you are currently. If it is more than 30%, you need to take it very seriously, right? So now you have got tick mark or cross for all the 10 questions you got. Now you need to check it out how many cross marks you got, or how many tick marks you got. If you have got 4 tick marks out of 10, that is your score, or maybe 5, maybe 6, or maybe 1, or maybe 9, or maybe 10 also. Whatever is your situation, fitness, the health and fitness is not the destination, it's a journey. You need to ask yourself, how can I be better than this? If your score is 4, then how can I be better to make it 5, 6, 7? If your score is 8, how can I make it 9? If it is 9, how can I make it 10? So what I told you, your competition is you need to be better than how you can be better person, right? Great. And we all know these are all problems when you have a more fat percentage in your body. Hormonal imbalance, inflammation, insulin resistance, blood sugar spikes, acidic body, micronutrient deficiency, poor health, poor gut health, immunity poor hona, posture proper nahi hona, toxicity in the body, all these problems start because of one of the biggest reason is the extra fat that you hold in your body. So, what is the root cause of this weight gain and the diseases that we have? What is the root cause of that? What do you think? क्या है इसका root cause? Yes, lifestyle. Lifestyle is the root cause of that. अगर root cause lifestyle है, तो what is the solution? Lifestyle. How many of you agree? अब तक जो भी गलत किया, अब तक जो भी wrong eating patterns you had, that has made you in this situation. You are responsible for your own health. No one else is responsible. It's your lifestyle that you have lived till now. And that's absolutely fine. That's absolutely okay. It's not the end. You are at the correct time. You are at the correct place. It's not the end. You know, if the problem is a lifestyle, now I need to work on my changing the lifestyle so that I can improve it. And that's what we are going to do it in building the healthy habits. And these healthy habits will help you to improve your overall health. Yes, great. So what's the secret of forming the healthy habits? क्या है secret? Many of the time we decide कि नहीं, मैं तो 10K steps every day करूंगी, or maybe I will work out 4 times a week. We decide, or I will eat salad in all my meals, or I will eat protein in all my meals. But जब करने जाते हैं तब realize होता है कि I'm not able to do it. How many of you agree with me? जब करने जाते हैं तब नहीं हो पाता है. We'll try to do, we decide कि no, I will do it, but it doesn't happen. Why? Let's talk about this. Do you know this iceberg? हमने movies में देखा हुआ है. The icebergs is like your mind. जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट होता है आइसबर्ग का, it is just a 5%, and you can see the almost 80-90% of the part is down the sea, right? Same thing with our mind. That 5% is the part which is above the sea. It's just the 5% which is your conscious mind. Which is your conscious mind. Right now, you all are listening to me. You must be you're thinking something in your mind. It's all you are doing with your conscious mind. And the down the sea, which is the 95%, which is there down the sea, is your subconscious mind. Whatever you decide in your subconscious mind, your conscious mind tells you to do that. Subconscious mind is nothing but it's a programmable chip. जैसे कंप्यूटर में चिप को प्रोग्राम करके अंदर डालते हैं, वैसे ही सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज योर प्रोग्रामेबल चिप. अब तक, बचपन से अब तक जो भी प्रोग्रामिंग हमारा हुआ है, whatever programming that had happened to us, it is all stored in our subconscious mind, whether it is a good thing or whether it is a bad thing, whatever, everything is stored in our subconscious mind. And whatever we do is on that programming जो हमारा already पहले से हो चुका है. Like we decide ना, हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि कल से नहीं, मैं कल से एक्सरसाइज करूंगी. नो, आई विल वेक अप अर्ली, आई विल कंट्रोल माई इमोशन, आई विल नॉट बी सैड और आई विल नॉट गेट एंग्री ऑन एनीवन. We decide. Today we decide with what? With the conscious mind. But when the time comes, tomorrow morning, when the alarm that rings at 5 o'clock, where I need to wake up and do my exercise or whatever, I need to wake up and go for my running. What my subconscious mind tells me, that 95% mind, अरे अब तक तो किया नहीं, अब क्या करोगे? You will not able to do it. Now, yesterday, we decided with our conscious mind, which is a 5% mind. And today, when the time came, my subconscious mind, the programming जो already मेरा हो चुका है, that subconscious mind telling me कि no, you cannot do it. नहीं होगा तेरे से. खींचातानी हो रही है. 5% conscious and 95 subconscious. Who will win? किसका पावर ज्यादा होगा? Your subconscious mind is telling you, 95% telling you not to do it. What is going to happen? We will land up doing it not, because that is the programming that has already happened in your mind. And that we all do whenever your subconscious mind tells you do it. Wrong programming. See, it may be a wrong programming or it may be a correct programming. Let's not go into that. Who has did all this programming to us? बचपन से हमने पेरेंट्स से कुछ सीखा है. We have learned something from our family. We went to the school. We listen. We have learned many things from our teachers. We have learned many things from the society, from the Instagram, from the Facebook, from the YouTube, religious guru, so-called. So many things that as influences us, whether it's a wrong thing or whether it's a bad or it's a good thing. I'm not going into that. But that programming has happened. We do because other person, the society is doing that, right? School में जाना चाहिए because everyone goes to the school. शादी करनी चाहिए because society everyone's do. We need to have a kid because everyone in the society have a kid. And that's the reason we do it, right? We do it. That is the programming that has happened from the childhood. And that's the reason we all are doing in that, whether it's a wrong programming, not programming. Or maybe in the family, we don't have, some of the family don't have a culture to exercise. Exercise का कभी culture ही नहीं है, तो exercise करना मतलब कुछ तो something extra that you are doing it, that has come from the foreign culture and maybe you are taking that. प्रोटीन हर मील में प्रोटीन खाना तो हमने बचपन से कभी सीखा ही नहीं है. Like our Indian culture is never like that. कब कभार हम पनीर बना लेते हैं, कब कभार हम चिकन मटन फिश बना लेते हैं. That is once in a week, twice a week. That is a culture we have. That is a programming that has happened to my mind. Whether it's a good or bad, I don't go in that. But we are still living in that thinking, whether it's a benefiting me or whether it's not. So that programming has already happened. So now if you think that programming that has happened is not benefiting my health, it's not benefiting my, it's not getting me achieve my goals, don't you not think so? Somewhere we need to take the action to just build some good habits and leave these habits behind. It's not necessary now, because in the society, everyone is getting married. That's the reason we have to get it married. We all have did it. Even I was the part of that. We all have did it. But somewhere we need to understand whether when it comes to my health, what is important for me, what is good for me, I should able to do that. Somebody has given the advice, somebody has teaches, somebody has had did it with the actions. We have seen so many things on the social media. You are listening to me right now also. I'm not telling that you need to believe in me. It's absolutely okay if you're not believing. You go do your own research. You find out what is good for you and then start following it. You need to think what is good for you. Yes. Because their programming, हमारा जो अब तक parents से, teachers से, सबसे जो programming हुआ, I'm not telling they were bad or they were correct or wrong. Their programming has also happened. उनके मम्मी डैडी और जो भी थे, grandmother, their programming has happened, and that has carried forward us. They were also programmed. Just one example that how this programming has happened to programming as even the social media and the marketing and whatever ads and everything that we see, how it programmed. Just a small example that I wanted to give you here. Just see this ad.
5 मिनट का बिल लेके जाओ।
ए बाल की दुकान चले ठंडा दे चिकन दे क्या रहा है
5 में बाहर है ना।
ए अबे तो आदमी है कि अंडा तेरे से ठंडा मांगा ना ठंडा
7 मिनट का तुम्हें जावा।
ये बिना टेरेस की बिल्डिंग फोड़ू का एन बम हाँ तेरे से ठंडा मांगना क्या ला रहा है भाई
लेकिन ठंडा ही तो है।
अबे फ्लावर पॉट ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला समझा
ओह
ठंडा मतलब
कोका कोला।
हाँ अब बोल ठंडा मतलब
कोका कोला।
हाँ ठंडा मतलब
कोका कोला।
हाँ
Now tell me, if you see that ad and if you are in that, that climate, there is so too much of hot and you have that, that shop where you can see this Pepsi and Coca-Cola ka bottle, don't you not think so? We will definitely drink it. I'm not talking about right now कि आपका mindset already वो prepare हो चुका है कि now you will consciously tell yourself no. But before that, don't you not think so? Maybe you can take an example, not you, maybe take an example of college going kid. He will go and buy and drink that. Because your mind has program, उन्होंने वो programming कर दिया आपके mind में ठंडा मतलब Coca-Cola. In that just 30 seconds of ad, he has said this for almost 5 times. ठंडा मतलब Coca-Cola, ठंडा मतलब Coca-Cola, ठंडा मतलब Coca-Cola. Now what programming has happened? If I am thirsty, I don't need to drink the water, but I need to drink the Pepsi. I need to drink the Coke. तो वो प्रोग्रामिंग हमारा हो चुका है. Now this programming, whether it's a good or bad, they are doing their job. I am not telling they are wrong. They are doing their job. But are we doing our job correctly? That is my question to all of you. Are we doing our job correctly? One more ad I wanted to, one more video I wanted to share, show it to you. Let's see. See one more ad. Before we go forward, I just show you one more ad. See this ad.
5 मिनट का बिल लेके जाओ।
Okay, see this ad.
जब डोमिनोज का नया चीजी वंडर पिज्जा पहुंचेगा तो लोग बिल पे करेंगे और क्या
अंदर फुल ऑफ वंडर स्पाइसी चीज का समंदर और हम तुम डाउन अंडर करा खुद को सरेंडर जो की करके हंसती है ये चीजी हैप्पी फीलिंग है चीजी हैप्पी फीलिंग।
और जब लोग जानेंगे कि चीज बस्ट अब रेगुलर साइज में है तो
ठन ठन तू गोपाल में पर दोनों भाई महंगी सी चाल में मस्त ये चीज क्या चीज है ये चीजी हैप्पी फीलिंग।
आ गया है डोमिनोज का चीजी टेम्पटेशन फेस्टिवल जिसमें है नया चीजी वंडर पिज्जा और आपका फेवरेट चीज बर्स्ट पिज्जा अब रेगुलर साइज में।
Now, how many of you think कि ad देख के मुंह में पानी आ गया? मेरे तो आ गया. आया नहीं, आया ना कि नहीं? अगर ये एड देखेंगे तो डोंट यू नॉट थिंक सो आफ्टर सीइंग दैट यू विल टेल योरसेल्फ नहीं, आई विल ट्राई दिस, आई विल ट्राई दिस. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस एड. जो ये 30 सेकंड का एड हमने देखा, व्हाट दे हैव मेड दिस 30 सेकंड. First half, what they told that family together is enjoying the pizza. So that means if all the family members are together, the way that you can enjoy is by having the pizza. So don't you not think so that message has already gone in the mind? मतलब जब family members साथ में होंगे, the celebration is time to have pizza. Second half, what they showed कि PG में दो बच्चे, that kids, they don't have money, they're showing their pocket कि उनके pocket में पैसा नहीं है. So what they have told, even if you don't have that money, if you have only that 50, 600, whatever money that you have, you can afford this pizza. So that means the signal which has gone to the kids, college kids, कि आपके पास अगर कम पैसे हैं तो what you have to eat? Pizza. Don't you not think so कि ये कैसे प्रोग्रामिंग हो रहा है हमारा माइंड without even our concern? So my question is only that कि are we all doing our job correctly? Yes or no? Let them do their job. Now our job is to do it. I'm not telling that you should not have, I'm not telling you at all to give up your favorite foods. Not at all. Once in a while having it, absolutely okay. But I am having it every day or I'm having it every week. That is my concern to all of you. That is my concern. Are you really serious towards your health, or you are getting sold by these ads? That is what important. So let your mind be aware and then take the decisions. I'm not telling you no need to eat all these things. I'm not going in that against. I'm telling you, yeah, we should enjoy. This is a life when you feel like you should enjoy, but when to do it, that is our responsibility. Yes, great. Did you got my point? What I'm trying to tell you? Yes, great. So now let's go ahead. So कैसे करना है हमको healthy habits build कैसे करना है? How to build a healthy habits? Do you brush your teeth every day? Is it a very entertaining activity? Like सुबह सुबह उठ के ऐसे लगता है कि no, I am going to brush my teeth. I am going to brush my teeth. Are you do that? कि नहीं, अरे डांस करना लगता है ब्रश करते वक्त नहीं, बट फिर भी हम करते. इट इज नॉट एंटरटेनिंग एक्टिविटी, बट स्टिल वी डू इट एवरी डे. व्हाई? बिकॉज हम बचपन से करते आए हैं. आवर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड हैज प्रोग्राम दैट व्हेन यू हैव टू गेट अप यू हैव टू डू इट. बट डू यू रिमेम्बर मे बी योर चाइल्डहुड और मे बी योर किड्स और whoever is there कि उनको वो आदत डालने के लिए you have to make them do it. You have to make them do it consciously every day, few days, few months, और उसके बाद जाके वो आदत बना है हमारा. Even though it is not the entertaining activity, we do it every day. That's what happens when you build a habit. And when you build a habit, it becomes very difficult to break it. आप एक दिन भी ब्रश नहीं करोगे तो you feel like something is missing, right? That kind of, when you get that feeling, that is called that you already build the habits. One day also, if I don't eat salad, I feel something is missing. One day, if I don't start my day with a banana or maybe with a glass of water, I feel something is missing. That's the habit that you're building. One day also, if I don't go for a walk, or if I make sure that ki mere sirf, I was too lazy today, I feel discomfort. When that comes, that is called the habit. So our habit should be like brushing the teeth. तो वो कैसे होगा? How it happens? Very simple. You have to do whatever that you do it, you have to do it with a conscious mind. Anything that you do it first, you need to take a little conscious efforts to make it as your behavior. That is your behavior. And to make it, you need to take a conscious effort. करना ही पड़ेगा उसको consciously. You do it, you repeatedly do it, repeatedly, consciously आप करते जाते हो उसको, and when you consciously do it, you never realize कि कब वो जाके आपका unconscious habit हो गया, and that has become your habitual behavior. And then you start doing it unconsciously. Exercise मैं करती नहीं, वो हो जाता है. I get up 5:30 in the morning, हो जाता है. I sleep at 10:30, 11 o'clock, हो जाता है. My eyes will close that time. I write my gratitude journal, it's ho jata hai. So when you do the conscious efforts for few days, consciously when you do it, it becomes your habit. And when you continuously do it, it becomes your unconscious habit. How long you have to do it? 21 days is good to start. Why we take a 21 days of challenge? Because it's a good to start, and when you stick to that habit to 3 to 6 months, it becomes your unconscious habit. So what is the solution? Repetition is the key. Keep doing it every day. Keep doing it every day. When you do it every day, it becomes your habit. The problem will come because when you do any kind of changes, your brain will always tell you not to do it, because your brain don't like the changes. Your brain want to stay in that comfort zone. It will always tell you, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. But we need to be continuously take efforts, few days, first few months. And when you do that, it becomes your habit. Agar yahan pe, problem is that your brain always tell you not to do it, not to do it. But yahan pe, if you completely change your diet, suddenly if you tell, no, tomorrow onwards, I am just going to eat only salads and soup. Do you think you will able to sustain? No. Tomorrow, if you're doing a 5K, maybe you're doing a 2K or 3K step. Suddenly, if I tell you, no, tomorrow onwards start doing 10K step, is it possible? Don't you not think so? If we are doing a 3K or 4K step, okay, next week I will ensure that I will increase by 1K and I'll stay there. And when I'm comfortable, now I'm comfortable with 5K, next week I will do it 6K. Next week I will do 7K. Don't you not think so? If the small changes you will do it, that will give you a consistent and a huge result. And that stays with you permanently. And that's what we will do. We will build these 13 mini habits in these 4 sessions, which will program your subconscious mind. And when you program your subconscious mind and continuously follow for next 3 to 6 months, you can definitely change. You can see that transform you. How many of you agree that you have already transformed yourself because of these habits? There are many people who already transform, I know. And that's what, so how many of you promise yourself that whatever happens, you will stick to building or following these small habits? Give me I in the chat box. Yes. I want all 10, 11, 13 जितने हैं सारे आई चाहिए मुझे. तब तक मैं आगे नहीं जाऊंगी. Well done. Great. So we have a time. So now what we have to do? हमें क्या करना है? So what the first thing that we have to do, understand, healthy lifestyle starts in the mind. पहले वो हमारे mind में ही चालू हो जाता है. So very first important that we have to tell the mind that I will do it, I will do it, I will do it. And we have to start with the small changes. अगर बड़े-बड़े changes करने जाओ नहीं होगा. It will not possible. Start with that small changes, very small changes. Whatever you are doing it right now, just make a little change. 4K step हो रहा है, चलो, do it 5K next time. Go as per your comfort. Maybe you have not exercised previously. Do 10 minutes. It's absolutely okay. No one is telling that you need to do for 60 minutes of exercise. Start with that 10 to 15 minutes. And then gradually when your body becomes, used to of that, increase it. Right. So we will work on, so our focus is to build these habits for the next few months. So now we will see what are the 7 steps that will help to reprogram your subconscious mind? Now we have to build these 13 habits so that we can program our subconscious mind. But ये subconscious mind को reprogram करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? What are the steps that we need to take it? The first very step that we need to take is stop thinking, talking, and focusing on what you cannot control. हमारा फोकस ज्यादा किसके ऊपर होता है? जो चीज हम नहीं कंट्रोल कर पाते हैं. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, रेन, weather, your genetics, corona, other person's opinions. No garden to walk, जगह ही नहीं है मेरे को वॉक करने के लिए. I don't have money to buy fruits. I don't have money to buy vegetables. I am too old. I cannot do MIA. मेरा तो एज हो गया है. It's too late to start. Or your past that is influencing you. So some things which are not in your control, your weather, that weather, or maybe, I don't have a time, I go for a job, I don't have a time, I work 8 to 8. Are you going to change that? Is it going to happen? It is going to change. Or rain ho raha hai, aaj rain ho raha hai, I cannot go for a walk. So this is an excuse for me not to complete my steps. Do you think? If you keep on thinking all these things, do you think that is going to give you a result? Instead of that, don't you not think so? We should control on the things which are in our control, like your actions. Okay, as rain ho raha hai, I cannot go out for a run. Okay, I'll do one thing. I will put on the music and I'll just do jumping jacks, or I'll just keep jogging in my place, or I'll keep jogging in my house, or I'll just do steps up and down, those who don't have a knee problem. If you think, if these are the action in my control, don't you not think so? Our focus should be on the things that are in our control, like our actions, our thoughts, how I should feel. Should I feel sad or depressed whole day, or should I feel good and positive? If other person is telling me or other person is fighting me, is it that it should affect me, or is it that I should come out of that? I'm not telling it will not affect. It will affect us. But staying whole day, do you think it's that you can control or come out of that in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour? It's in your control to work on that habits, so that I can come out of this trauma immediately. So your actions, your thoughts, how you feel, कैसे मुझे feel होना चाहिए, मेरे habits, my decision, with whom you're spending the time with, what you put in your mouth, how much you move, when to sleep, how you spend your time, the way you respond. Don't you not think so? These things are in our control. So our focus should be on the things that are in our control. Or should the focus on the things that are not in my control? Like whole day, if you keep on thinking on the things which are not in the control, do you think that you will take the action? कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. You know that these are not in the control. You cannot change this. तो वो change होने ही वाला नहीं. Even though thinking on that, is it going to change? So better not to think on that and get our focus on the things that we control. And when you start doing that, it automatically you will see that you have so many things that you are in control and you can do it. So shift your focus. That is important. I don't have an hour to do the exercise, but I will ensure that 10 minutes I will do it every day. I don't have a time specially to go for a walk because of my busy schedule, but I will ensure that when you come back from my office, I will not take the auto, but I will walk so that I can complete my walk. It's your hand how to do it. So find out the way and focus on the things that are in your control. When you do that, automatically you will see that it is happening. Second steps. Make health your number 1 priority. I know we all have a job, we have a money as our first priority, but I feel health should be our first priority. And how many of you have your health as a first priority? Yeah, let me share one story with you. Like in the office, एक बार office में एक colleague, no, he sits with his colleague, and when he every day he sits with a colleague, he think हमेशा है ना वो he listen that his colleagues are always talking about bad thing about him. हमेशा उसके बारे में बैड चीजें बोलते रहते हैं, and he get frustrated with that. He said he go to the boss and he tell the boss कि boss, all my colleagues always talk about negative and bad things about me, and I don't want to stay here. I want to resign. You take my resignation. So now boss tell him, okay, no problem. I'll take your resignation. I'll take your resignation tomorrow. Let's spend one day. I will give you one task today. You just have to complete that task today. And once you complete that task, I will take your resignation tomorrow. So what the boss tells him, okay, this is a glass of water. He filled that full glass with the complete water. पूरा उसको glass से भर देता है. And now what boss tell him is that today you have to ensure that the water should not fall down from this glass. So wherever you go, you have to take this glass of water with you. And you have to ensure that ki water में से glass में से पानी कम नहीं होना. It should not spill down. So this is your whole day task. So he said, okay, no problem. अरे ये तो task है ना, कर सकते, इसमें क्या बड़ा problem? I will do it. When tomorrow I'll tell the boss, okay, and he will take my resignation. So whole day, his full focus is on the glass of water. नहीं, कहीं भी जाता है, he is very careful. He ensure that कि ना इसमें से पानी spill ना हो जाए. The whole day, his focus happened. He do his job perfectly. To next day, he go to the boss and tell him, boss, I have completed my, my task successfully. Now you take my resignation. I want to go. Now boss asked him, oh great, fantastic that you have completed your job. Now tell me, I want to ask you one thing. What your colleagues have talked about you yesterday? Can you tell me that? Now he thinks, okay, yesterday what my colleagues has talked about myself. He thinks, अरे कल तो ऐसा कुछ बोला ही नहीं उन्होंने. Yesterday they didn't talk anything. Do you think what happened? Because his whole focus was where? On that glass of water. That water should not fall down. तो उसका पूरा फोकस वो ग्लास ऑफ वाटर पे था. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाटएवर इज हैपनिंग सराउंडिंग उसके कान तक पहुंचा ही नहीं. इज इट दैट इज विथ यू व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस? और इज इट योर सराउंडिंग, अरे आज मुझे सब्जी लेने जानी है, अरे आई हैव टू मेक द टिफिन, और आई हैव टू आई हैव टू स्पेंड माय किड्स, और आई हैव टू व्हाटएवर. डू यू हैव दैट रीजंस that is not making you take the action? So are you making, do you have your health as a first priority? So now my question is to all of you, make health as your first priority. And when you are healthy, automatically you will see that you're improving your productivity so much in other aspects. Yes. Great. So next, third one, very important. Decide smart goals. Anything which is not measured cannot get progressed. If you don't have a goals, like if you keep on telling me ki okay, next 3 months I want to lose 8 kgs of weight. If you are not having that goals, and if you are not proper taking action, again after 3 months when I meet you, you will tell me, okay, I want to lose 8 kgs of weight. Again 3 months, you will tell me, I want to lose 8 kgs of weight. So whatever you want to progress, it is very important. It should be measured. इसको measured करना जरूरी है. So how should be your goal? It should be a smart, specific होना चाहिए. I want to lose maybe 6 or 7 kgs of weight in next 3 months. I want to come out of my medicine in next 6 months. I want to make my HB1C1, those who have a diabetes, to this level by this time. I want to get my TCR, thyroid level, this level by this time. So you need to have a specific goal. measurable. You should able to measure. You should उसको हमको measure करना आना चाहिए, like a fat percentage, your weight, or जैसे I have told you when it comes to diabetes, HB1C1, all these things. So it should be measurable, achievable, very important. If you give yourself a goal that I want to lose 15 kgs of weight in 1 month, do you think it is possible? 10 kgs of weight in 1 month, it is possible, but again, we don't want to go that, because we are working here to improve our health. So it should be achievable, where you can achieve it, and when you achieve it, you feel satisfied, you feel confident, and you feel like doing more and more. It should be really relevant, realistic. Okay, every week I will lose 1 kg of weight, or maybe every week I will lose half kg of weight. In a month, I will lose 3 to 4 kgs of weight. If you have a weight loss as a goal, it's not compulsory. I'm just giving the example. Maybe you have some other goal. You want to improve your fitness level, or you want to do push-ups. You want to do 30, 40 push-ups in one go. You want to achieve your chakrasana, or maybe you want to achieve something. Whatever you want to run. When it comes to the run, whatever is your goal, it should be relevant and time bound. Usko time do. Time nahi doge to wo extend hote rahega. 3 months also you are telling 8 kgs. Next 3 months also you will do same thing. Next also you will tell, because you have not given the time to yourself. Give time bound. It has to be realistic, achievable. कुछ भी goal set कर लिया, achieve नहीं हो रहा है, and then we are blaming that I cannot do anything, or this doesn't work, that doesn't work. No. So it has to be realistic. So how many of you tell me that you are setting your goal right now? Just an example. I want to weight 60 kg by 13th of October 2024. Just an example I'm giving you. Like whatever goal is your, my TCH is 4.3 by 30th October 2024. So you need to set your goal right now. All of us will set our goals right now. Very important thing when you set your goal, your emotional reason behind that. All of us say that I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do that, but nahi kar pate. Because there is no strong emotion behind that. You don't have that emotional na wo andar fire honi chahiye. Like tomorrow, if I have to get up from the bed and I feel lazy of not going for the run, immediately the second thought I should have that no, I cannot do that because I have this to achieve. And that should not make you sit over there. Your why should be more strong. What is the why to achieve that goal? Like there are 2 buildings. Let me give you an example. कि 20 माले के 2 buildings है, और from this building to this building, if you want to go, there is a very small bridge. बहुत छोटा bridge है जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ एक ही पैर एक टाइम पे रख सकते हो, and the support is also not good. You don't have any support. If I tell you that you have to go from this building to this building using this small bridge, will you go? क्या पागल हो गई है क्या? I don't want to die. I cannot do that. No. I don't want to take this risk. Do you think if that is your, do you think you will think? मैं तो ऐसी सोचूं पहला तो, right? But if I tell you your kid, your son, your daughter, your whoever, granddaughter is in danger in that building, and you have to save him by crossing this bridge, you will go or not? You will go or not? Why? Because your why is so strong कि now that excuse is not coming in your mind. वो excuse कहाँ गया आपको पता नहीं है, because your why is so strong, and inside now you cannot think anything whether I can cross it or I don't cross it. I don't bother. My goal is that I have to save my child. And that's what should be when it comes to your achieving your health goal. Ask yourself, what is that why behind it? Tomorrow, if I have to give the excuse, this why will not make you to stop. So now your responsibility is to close your eyes, or whenever you get the time, you have to close your eyes. You have to ask, what is that strong why is there? कि उसको मैं सामने रखूं, तो no other excuse will make me stop taking the actions. So all of us, our first thing that I want to do, all of you, is to set your goal. How many of you are going to set your goals? Already those who have set maybe last time, review that, and now you can set your other goal, whatever is your goal further. Yes? And I want you to have that strong why behind it. Goal set कर लिया और कल जाके ये बुक को क्या करना है? भगवान के सामने रख में उसमें हल्दी कुमकुम डालना है? ये करना है? नहीं. What we have to do? We have to see that goal every day. Now, if your goal, do what is the best way? I'll tell you. If your goal is to maybe you want to come back, कि जैसे आप आपके marriage के time पे दिख रहे होते हो, maybe you know that old photo when you see yourself, कि oh I want to come back to that. Keep that photo as the wallpaper on your screen, no, on your mobile screen. हमेशा वो आपके सामने रहेगा. और whatever you think, like if you want to achieve something, जो भी आपको achieve करना है उसको wallpaper रख दो अपने screen पे, or maybe on your laptop screen. So whenever you open, oh wow, oh this is what. So every time you are telling your mind, see, your mind don't understand the language. Your mind understand the language of pictures. उसको picture दिखाओ तब जाके वो दौड़ेगा काम करने के लिए. So every time you have to tell your mind, you have to mind give you that picture. हर बार वो सामने, सुबह उठे तो सामने दिखना चाहिए, लैपटॉप खोला सामने दिखना चाहिए, बाथरूम गए दिखना चाहिए. So whatever is that, really keep it in front of you. Make your why so strong that it will not let you stop. How many of you are telling me that you will do it? This is your task. Yeah, this is your task. तब जाके होगा, otherwise it will not happen. Otherwise you will keep on giving me the excuses. I don't have time, I don't feel motivated. These are all excuses that we are giving to ourselves because we are not working here. Great. I want all of you, we don't have a time, otherwise we have sat here and we have all should have set our goals right now. But I want you to do this activity without fail. Great. So now next is, okay, this is the reason. Okay. Okay, this is one more activity that you can do, make a vision board. Now this is what I already told you. Like our mind works when we show the pictures. That is important. So pictures दिखाओ अपने mind को, जो भी goal है आपका. Set it as your wallpaper, or maybe put it that picture in front of you. So when you wake up from the bed, the first thing in the bedroom you can see, or maybe if you are more time spending in your kitchen, put it in the kitchen. Wherever you think that you spend more time, you can always see. Give your mind will, this is like a smart way of to achieve your goal. I'll not say it's a hard way, but it's a smart way to achieve. But सिर्फ vision board बना दिया और सिर्फ pictures लगा दिए mobile पे, and then you are not taking the action. No, that should not be there. You are training your mind so that when your mind will command you. Your mind will start ordering and automatically you will take the action. See, I'll give you the example because I do the running. So that's the reason I can relate to this. Kitna kilometer I can do it comfortably. Maybe I can do 3-4 kilometers comfortably, or maybe 5 kilometers I can do comfortably. After that, what? Body to thak jayega. If my body is getting tired, I have to tell my mind ki no, you have to do it. You have to keep doing. You will do it. You will do it. And when you tell your mind, your body will automatically do it. Your mind has a lot of power. And when you tell your mind, your body will achieve it. So show the pictures to your mind. Keep that goal in front of you always. So it should not make you कि लिख दिया, उसको कागज में बंद करके रख दिया, and now I am opening after I finish the 3 months. उसके बाद पता चला अरे ये गोल सेट किया था. It should not be like this. Yes? Great. Then Sixth one, and very important, mental rehearsal. What is this mental rehearsal? Let me ask you one thing. I want to ask one question to you. Okay, well, I'll ask one question to you. Now you have to, when I ask you, you just have to imagine. Okay, ready? Don't see elephant. What your mind did? पहले mind ने क्या देखा? Elephant ही देखा. I said don't see, but what your mind did? उसके बाद second, yeah, because we have learned English and everything. We know don't मतलब no. Second thought क्या आया? Oh, I don't have to see the elephant. But what your mind first did it? Saw the elephant. That is how our mind works. Our mind don't understand the language of no. Our mind also understand the language of visualization. Elephant, when I say it now, if I say visualize apple, see apple in front of you. Did you visualize mango or did you visualize watermelon? No. आपने क्या visualize किया? Apple ही visualize किया, because now in your subconscious mind you know how the apple looks. So visualize, your mind has already, when you tell something, your mind is already visualizing that and then it is coming in front of you, right? If I tell you, I tell you to visualize maybe a gulab jamun. Have you got that taste in your in your mouth now? Every one of us got that taste in our mouth. कि गुलाब जामुन का taste तो already आ गया. You didn't have it. I just said it. But automatically what your mind has believed, gulab jamun ka taste ye hai, and your mind has given that taste to your mouth. Don't you not think so? Your mind is so powerful. आप जो उसको visualize करा रहे हो वो ही देख रहा है. Agree with me? If I tell you that I am at Himalaya, I am going to the Himachal, don't you not think so? You already reached there. अरे पहुंच भी गए उधर. Your mind has already taken you there and you already visualize how you are enjoying there. That means what it is proven कि your mind understand the language of pictures, understand the language of visualization. अगर आप visualize कर रहे हो, अरे मेरा weight ही कम नहीं होता है, my belly fat is not reducing and my hips are not reducing, तो body, आपके mind ने क्या imagine किया? Your body has what visualize? अरे ये इसका belly fat जाना ही नहीं है, इसका hip जाना ही नहीं है. So what we have to visualize? What I have already achieved. Whatever your future that you want to achieve, that I have already achieved it. That's the power of visualization, and your mind will run fast to take the actions like this. So very beautiful. Do you all want to do the practical right now? Correct, Pral. This is the last we have ended. So this is the last 5 minutes. Let's do the visualization practice. A last 5 minutes, I want all of you. Now, these 5 minutes, I want all of you to stay in a place where you don't have a disturbance. Tell your family members not to disturb, because I want your full focus on visualizing whatever you're going to listen. Complete visualization. जैसे apple बोला तो सामने apple ही आया. You know that red color apple. You imagine the size of the apple also. वो कैसे रखा है? उसकी डंडी भी मेरे को दिख रही है. I know it's a complete red color apple. I have not visualized the green color. So when you say that, we need to visualize very deep, in detail. And what you have to visualize is your end result that you have already achieved. Don't visualize your journey ki journey mein mujhe ye difficulty aaya hai. No. What we are doing it, we are visualizing our end. If my goal is to run whatever 10 kilometer, whatever is 21 kilometer is my that I am already visualizing that I already achieved in running 21 kilometers. I already got that medal in my hand and I'm putting in my mouth and I'm taking the picture. So you need to visualize your end result. So visualization is nothing. You don't need to bring your journey. It's your end result. So yes, ready, all of you? Sit in place. Ensure that you're able to hear it clearly. Sit in comfortable. You can take the support for your back also, so you don't feel discomfort when you do it. Last 5 minutes, we will do the visualization and then I will give you our first mini habit that we have to do it. Great. Okay, we'll play the music. I'll play the audio here.
अपनी आंखें बंद करते हुए
Okay. We'll start with
अपनी आंखें बंद करते हुए एक गहरी
sit in comfortable position.
अपनी आंखें बंद करते हुए एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और उसे बाहर निकालते हुए धीरे धीरे अपने शरीर को रिलैक्स कर दीजिए, उसे ढीला छोड़ दीजिए। दूसरी बार एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और उसे बाहर निकालते हुए अपने पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए। तीसरी बार एक गहरी सांस लीजिए धीरे से सांस को बाहर निकालते हुए अपने शरीर को रिलैक्स कर दीजिए। जस्ट रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स। आपका ध्यान आपकी सांसों के ऊपर रखिए। देखिए कि आपकी सांसें कहाँ तक अंदर जा रही है और कैसे बाहर आ रही है। आपका ध्यान आपकी सांसों के ऊपर। जितनी गहरी आप सांस ले पाएंगे उतना ज़्यादा आप डीप अवस्था में उतरते जाएंगे। जस्ट रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स। जब आप रिलैक्स हो रहे हैं तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आपके मन में एक छवि बनाइए, एक पिक्चर बनाइए आपके फ्यूचर सेल्फ का। आपका स्मार्ट गोल याद कीजिए जो आपने लिखा हुआ है, जो आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं शायद 3 महीने, 6 महीने, 9 महीने, 1 साल, 2 साल के बाद। वो जो भी है उसे क्लियरली याद कीजिए। अपने मन में इस तरह से देखिए कि मानो आपके सामने वो इंसान खड़ा है कि जिसने वो गोल अचीव कर लिया है। अपने फ्यूचर सेल्फ को देखिए, अपने आप को देखिए कि जो भविष्य में वो गोल अचीव कर चुका है। जब आप ये पिक्चर क्लियरली देख सकते हैं तो अब समय है उस पिक्चर को हकीकत में बदलने का। धीरे धीरे देखिए कि आपके हाथ, आपके फिंगर्स, आपके पैर, आपका शरीर धीरे धीरे करके आपके फ्यूचर सेल्फ के अंदर उतर रहा है। आप अभी वो फ्यूचर सेल्फ जो आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं भविष्य में, वो आपने वर्तमान में ही अचीव कर लिया है, ऐसा फील कीजिए। देखिए कि आप और वो फ्यूचर सेल्फ अलग नहीं है, आप दोनों एक हो चुके हैं। जब आप वो जो अचीव करना चाहते हैं वो अभी बन चुके हैं, तो आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है? आप क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं? फील दैट एनर्जी, उस ऊर्जा को महसूस कीजिए। देखिए कि आप कितने ज्यादा कमिटेड हैं, आपके अंदर कितनी ज़्यादा एनर्जी है, आप लोगों को और ज़्यादा खुश कर रहे हैं, आप खुद खुश रहते हैं। आप जो सालों से अचीव करना चाहते थे, फाइनली आपने वो अचीव कर लिया है। कैसा फीलिंग आपको हो रहा है? हर रोज आप छोटे छोटे एक्शंस ले रहे हैं कि जो आपको और ज़्यादा हेल्दी और ज़्यादा बेटर फील करा रहा है। इसे देखिए कि वो अभी हो रहा है। आप किस तरह से सांसें ले रहे हैं जब आप आपके गोल्स को अचीव कर चुके हैं। देखिए आपका हार्ट किस तरह से बीट कर रहा है। जैसे आप सांसें अंदर और बाहर ले रहे हैं, तब नोटिस कीजिए कि आपके आसपास का माहौल कितना अच्छा है। आप जो चाहते थे वो आप फाइनली अचीव कर चुके हैं। कैसा लगता है आपको जब आप आपके शरीर का इतना ध्यान रखते हैं, उसे रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं? लोग भी आपको किस तरह से देखते हैं, वो भी आपको और ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट और प्यार देना शुरू कर दिए हैं। वो आपसे इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं। देखिए कि आपके आसपास के लोग आपसे क्या कह रहे हैं। आपकी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, आपको पूछ रहे हैं कि आपने ये कैसे किया। आपके चेहरे के ऊपर एक बढ़िया सी स्माइल रखिए। देखिए कि आप आसपास के लोगों को कितना मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं। आपको देखकर बहुत सारे लोग अपने गोल्स को अचीव कर रहे हैं। आप अभी ये महसूस कर रहे हैं कि आप आपके बॉडी को कितना पसंद करते हैं और इसीलिए आप उसका ध्यान भी रखते हैं। जो आपका फ्यूचर सेल्फ है वो आप मेंटेन रखने वाले हैं। इजीली वो जो वजन है बरकरार रखने वाले हैं, एनर्जी बरकरार रखने वाले हैं। आपका स्लीप क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव हो चुका है, आपके रिश्ते बेहतर हो चुके हैं, आप काम में 100% प्रोडक्टिविटी दे सकते हैं। अपनी सांसों को अंदर और बाहर निकालते हुए देखिए कि आप इम्पॉसिबल को भी पॉसिबल कर चुके हैं। आपने फाइनली अपने बॉडी का मैक्सिमम उपयोग किया है। आप उसे एक्सरसाइज दे रहे हैं। आप रेगुलरली अपने आप को मूवमेंट देते हैं और आपको उसमें मजा आता है। आप और ज्यादा अच्छे दिखना शुरू कर दिए हैं क्योंकि आप अपने आप की रियल सेल्फ के साथ कनेक्ट हो चुके हैं। आप फ्रीडम का अनुभव कर रहे हैं। आपके आसपास देखिए, आप कहाँ हैं? आप क्या देख सकते हैं? आप किसके साथ हैं? हर एक आवाज को सुनने की कोशिश कीजिए। आप जब रास्ते से चलते हैं तो क्या लोग आपके सामने देखते हैं और कितने अच्छे से आपको स्माइल देते हैं, आपकी तारीफ करते हैं। देखिए कि आपके माइंड में जो भी नकारात्मक बातें चल रही थी, कहानियां चल रही थी, वो धीरे धीरे बाहर निकल चुकी है। आपका हार्ट, आपका हेड, आपका पूरा शरीर अलाइनमेंट में आ चुका है, एक मत हो चुका है। आप ब्लेस्ड फील कर रहे हैं। आप कितने लकी हैं। अब मैं चाहती हूं कि आप ये सुनने की कोशिश कीजिए कि आपका जो फ्यूचर सेल्फ है, जो आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं, वो फ्यूचर सेल्फ आपसे अभी क्या कह रहा है, उसे सुनने की कोशिश कीजिए। क्या वो आपसे ये कह रहा है कि तुम कर सकते हो, इट इज पॉसिबल, बहुत आसान है। और शायद आप मन में भी ये दोहरा रहे हैं कि यस, आई कैन डू इट, आई एम रेडी। इस एनर्जी को अपने अंदर बरकरार रखिए। देखिए कि आपका हर एक सेल, ऑर्गन, आपका पूरा शरीर एनर्जी से भरपूर हो चुका है, पॉजिटिविटी से भरपूर हो चुका है। आपका वाय याद कीजिए, आपकी वजह याद कीजिए कि आप वो स्मार्ट गोल को क्यों अचीव करना चाहते हैं। वो वजह सच हो चुकी है। देखिए कि आप जो भी पाना चाहते थे, जो भी महसूस करना चाहते थे, वो सब कुछ आपने कर लिया है। आप इतना पावरफुल फील कर रहे हैं, आप कंट्रोल में हैं। और जब आप इतना अच्छा महसूस कर रहे हैं तो धीरे धीरे हम इस डीप अवस्था से बाहर आने वाले हैं। मैं 5 से 1 काउंट करने वाली हूँ। जैसे ही मैं 1 पर आऊंगी, आप पूरी तरह से इस डीप अवस्था से बाहर आ चुके होंगे। और ज़्यादा रिफ्रेश्ड, एनर्जेटिक महसूस कर रहे होंगे। Slowly coming out. 5, 4, धीरे धीरे बाहर आइए। 3, 2, slowly come out, and 1। धीरे से अपनी आंखें खोलिए। बी कॉन्शियस एंड फील एनर्जेटिक।
So how many of you imagine your future and now you know what you have to do? One thing you have to remember, when you visualize, when we do these kind of practices, हमारे मन में क्या आता है? What we think, अरे, how it is possible? Like, I have not achieved it, so how it is possible? So our mind will always tell us कि अभी नहीं हुआ है, how it is possible. So we will always cross question our mind, like mind will start, but what we have to 100% with your 100% mind, you have to believe that you have already achieved it. It's an apple, it's not an orange, right? That confidence you should have when you do the visualization, not a single percent doubt. So do your visualization. Now this we have did it like a more 13-40 minutes, but what you can do it like every day in the morning before you get up from the bed. You know that you are at the bed, close your eyes just for 5 minutes or maybe for 3-4 minutes, completely visualize your future that you want to achieve it, that you want to already achieve it. Just do that visualization every day and let me tell you, your mind will start telling you to take the action, and you will only start taking the action. That is the power of visualization. And this is our first mini habit that we all are going to do it, is doing the visualization. Yes. This is our first mini habit, listening to the positive affirmation daily when you are in the alpha state and doing the visualization for that 5 minutes. How many of you think that you can spend 5 minutes for this? Alpha state means what state? Alpha state is when your mind is completely calm. So when we get up in the morning, first thing in the morning, you should do the activity for your brain. You should listen to good things because your mind is a calm. And that time, if you think, oh, how can I finish my office work today, or how can I complete my work, if you start questioning in yourself, you are actually not utilizing this best time. This is the best time. This is the alpha time. You all remember, like हमने सुना है, like 4:30. Why our grandmother and our father and grandfather is to get up early in the morning? Because that is a time when your mind is full calm, your mind is in alpha state, and what you tell your mind that time, you becomes that. So this is a good time to give some good things. Listen to positive affirmation, do this visualization for 5 minutes, and then get up from the bed. So that should be like usual. Some of you must be having a usual like that is also like a gratitude practice you do to your God or universe you believe. You start your day with that one gratitude. Same thing, you have to, along with that, you can do listen to positive affirmation. I already given you. How many of you have seen that? देखा है किसी ने खोल के क्या है उसमें? I already given you the list of positive affirmation. Every day, just read that in the morning with full 100% consciousness that I have achieved it, and do the visualization in the morning in the bed only for 5 minutes, and then get up. Now, how many of you commit me that you will make it your daily practice? As I told you, when you do something new, you have to take a conscious habit. Consciously, मतलब remind करना पड़ेगा आपको कि okay, I will do it. Maybe you will forget in the morning. Do it in the afternoon when you are sitting. Just sit in a closed mind, do some deep breathing, and that time do that 5-minute visualization, or that time listen. But the best time is the morning when you get up, when your mind is calm, and before going to the bed when your mind is calm. These are called as the alpha state of minds, where your mind is calm, and whatever you give it to your mind will work. This is one of the lesson of the personal development, I'll say. So do you think it is a very difficult task? This is a difficult habit you cannot follow, and it is very difficult. And do you think it is that difficult? Or you can spend that 5 minutes in the morning or maybe in the night, whenever you have, whenever you feel, and you will do this visualization and affirmation. Yes? How many of you give me type yes in the chat box that you are going to do it? Because what I've told you, your mind knows the language of images. जितना वो image आपका mind में clear होगा, very detailed image, मतलब if you are visualizing that you have reached to an ideal weight, if that is your goal, then what dress that you are wearing, or what sari you are wearing, which color sari you are wearing, what jewelry you are wearing, what earrings you are wearing, whether you're putting a bindi, whether you're putting a kajal, whether you're putting a lipstick, what you're wearing in your hand, what you're wearing in your hands, what kind of sandals you're wearing, everything in detail you need to visualize. And that comes with the practice. Like when you start doing it, you will go into deeper and deeper, and you will start visualizing in minute thing of everything. So make this as a power. This is a one first habit that we are going to build. Positive affirmations I have already given you. Take the screenshot of that, or take the photo of that and put it on your screen of your wallpaper. So whenever you feel that you can keep reading that. So जब भी आपका phone खुलेगा, oh, I reached to my dream weight, or I am healthy, I am eating, automatically आप read करोगे वो. You don't need to take an extra efforts for that. Automatically वो आपके mind को signal जाता है. Yes? Great. So this is our first mini habit, and now next we are moving towards our food habits, which is so important. So next sessions will be on our food habits. I'm not going to take out anything from you, whatever you are eating, but yes, how we can make a change in what we are eating right now, so that it will help us to come out of any diseases or any health problem that we have, and it will help in a weight loss also. So that's what we are going to do in the next. And we will end our session here. Thank you so much for joining. If you want to talk, share your feedback, or you want to talk something, last 5 minutes, we'll just have an open conversation, and then we will end the session. Or you want to share, you want to talk, how you like it, or whether it's a mind blowing, your mind has blown, or now you are so charged that you are going to take the action. Anything that you want to share. Anyone wants to talk, you can unmute yourself and you can talk. Yes. So now it's an open forum for next 5 minutes. Open up. We are the family, so you need to talk. You need to open up your mind and start taking the action today itself. Be active on a group. Okay, so we will end our session here today. So this is your first mini habit. Start following that. And we are going to have more 12 habits like that, which will help you to transform yourself completely in your health. And of course, you will improve in your personality, in your personal development. That is also very important. So thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice, good night, sleep, and wake up fresh tomorrow with a new energy in you. Yes. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you.